Okay, you guys, so we are going to continue on with my collection of crystals. If you have not seen part 2, when it's just about my bracelets that I have, my jewelry that I have of crystals, I will leave that down below above. Go check that out. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into the crystals, my actual stones. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari. My channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And make sure to turn on the post notification bell, and make sure you give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world if you like what I do. So with that being said, you guys, let's continue on with the crystals. All right, so next we're gonna jump into the actual stones, like my actual stones. Now I'm going to start off with the ones that I use the most, or I carry with me the most, and I'm actually going to start off with these two here. So first off, this one here is white howlite. You guys have seen me talk about this one before, but this one is a tension. It relieves tension, stress, calms. It releases anxiety, peace, and it's also great for sleep, and I heard dreams as well. So if you're like having a lot of bad dreams, a lot of people place this near their bed or under their pillow, and it really helps them to sleep better and to have better dreams. I love white howlite. It's a very calming stone for me. When I hold it, it just gives me a very great calming feeling. And just really quickly, also I have it in a I can never say this thing. A pendulum. I have the white howlite in that as well. Okay, I don't really play around with this as much as I used to when I first got it, but I also have it in white howlite. That's how much I actually like white howlite. Okay, so that's white howlite. That's one of my actual favorite stones. The next stone that I carry around a lot with me is tiger's eye. And I got tiger's eye and white howlite from Peace of Mind Inc. as well. So this is tiger's eye. It's a very, very beautiful stone. Now, tiger eye releases anxiety. It helps to have harmony, balance, protects against negative energy, and is a confidence builder. Now, these two I carry with me more so at work because it is needed. Between keeping your sanity with the calmness of this and protecting your energy with this and protecting your energy, I am all about everything that just keeps me centered at work and keeping me together at work. It is really important to keep your balance throughout your day-to-day. So having little things like these stones really do help to you know, calm you and to center you. All right, so next we're going to talk about, what's the next stone that I use a lot? I used to carry, I used to carry these around in my wallet, and these are green aventurine. I have 2 of them. And I also got these from Peace of Mind Inc. If I can show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys one of them, but I have 2 of them. I'll show you guys this one. And pretty much green aventurine, it attracts love, success, and abundance. So I used to carry it around this in my wallet for abundance. I don't really carry it around like that too much anymore. I need to actually slip back into my wallet and start carrying it around, but I don't carry it around as much. But I do have 2 pieces of that. The next stone is citrine. This is citrine. I also got this from Peace of Mind Inc. Ooh, it's so tiny. And I think this actually has faded over time. It used to be more orange, but it doesn't have as much orange in it. If you guys can see, it has a little bit of orange in it. Okay, so citrine is it gives you clarity, it helps with ideas, creativity, and also it is great for the mind. And also citrine, I also heard that it's also good for abundance and attracting money to you. So I used to put this in my little baggie at work, just as more of an attraction for, you know, for money and things of that sort. Okay, so the next one that we are going to talk about are 4 stones that I don't, well, actually, let's jump into the crystal quartz. Now, this one is a new one. You guys know, we're going to jump into this one. So this is my quartz crystal cluster. You guys know that I talked about this and I was really excited to get my hands on this because I really wanted this. I really was looking into getting one of these, and finally I got one, and I got its provisions box. And so far what I've been doing with this, if you guys don't know, quartz crystal is like the all-in-all crystal. the all-in-all crystal. Pretty much quartz crystal, it clears the mind, it has more of a spiritual connection, and it charges other crystals. So what I do after I use my bracelets, or after I take my bracelets off for the day, I place them on or near the quartz crystal, because the quartz crystal is going to help to charge other crystals and to clear other crystals and things of that sort. So that's what I use this for. This is brand new, so I'm still working with that one and seeing how that works for me. Okay, so next, what do we have? Okay, so next I'm going to talk about 4 crystals, 4 crystals that I don't use, that I don't really use. I don't use them. They kind of sit here and look pretty. And then I'm going to talk about this here. I still haven't used this because I don't know where to place it, and I guess we'll just jump into this one and talk about this one really quickly before we talk about the other 4. But this is a piece of selenite. I believe it's selenite. You guys have seen this where I was really excited to get my hands on it for when I got it in the Goddess Provisions box, and it has like all the phases of the moon on here. Selenite, I believe, is its name, and you can use this to charge other crystals. It's very close, or that's kind of like the same thing as crystal quartz. So but you got to be careful where you place this and where you, I just think it needs to be placed somewhere special, and right now I don't really have anywhere special to place it, and I want to keep it protected so it doesn't get like chipped or anything. So I just keep it in this baggie off to the side, but I don't really use it, or I don't really put it anywhere because I don't want it to get damaged more so I don't really play with that one too much as of now. Now the 4 crystals that I don't really use but they do sit on my lovely altar is the bloodstone. So this is the bloodstone. I got this from Peace of Mind Inc. as well, and I think this is a really beautiful stone. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is like red and green in there. It's a really very pretty, unique stone. So the bloodstone removes energy blocks as well as it helps with circulation. Bloodstone, I hear a lot of this being related to healing of the blood and things of that sort. So that's what the bloodstone is. The next stone we're going to talk about is Amazonite. Amazonite. Say that 20 times. Amazonite. And it's this pretty green stone. I got this in a Goddess Provisions box a couple of boxes ago, and this is just gorgeous, you guys. Oh my, just gorgeous. And this is pretty much it's energy healing. It helps to relax you, it helps with your emotions, it brings in love. Like, this is a stone of love, of the heart. So I haven't played around with it much. I do know that there was a few times I've held it, meditated with this, and this just gives me a feeling of so much comfort and calmness. So I really do like that about this stone. So I have to play around with it more, or actually carry it around with me more, but it is a very pretty stone, and it does sit on my altar. The next stone that I want to talk about that I don't use is the orange calcite stone. Another one that is from the Goddess Provisions box. Very pretty, and this controls emotions, creativity, sexuality, intuition, and it is related to the root and sacral chakra. Once again, I have not played around with this one. I have not used it, so I can't tell you how it makes me feel or anything, but I definitely need to meditate with that one and kind of see what I get from it. And the last one that we are going to talk about here is the Peacock Ora stone. Now I don't use this one at all. I've gotten this sorry, I have notes here. Where did I put it? Oh, the Peacock Ora stone. Now I got this in the Goddess Provision box ages ago. Well, not ages, a couple of months back. And the thing about this one, I don't use it at all. I don't meditate with it. I don't do nothing. It's a very pretty stone. So, and this is a stone of happiness, but I really don't have any experience with this. It doesn't, when I hold it, it doesn't make me feel any type of way. So I don't know. Usually, like with the Howlite and the Amazonite, I held it and like I felt something from it, but I don't really feel nothing from this one. So I mean, it's pretty to look at and have on your altar, but I really don't really work with it that much. And then lastly, I'm going to share something with you guys. Actually, it's an oil that is infused with roots and tiger's eye. So this is a Jezebel root oil. And a lot of you guys may be familiar with Jezebel root and Jezebel root oil, and there's a lot of different things about this. People agree with it, people don't agree with it, but pretty much this is just an oil that you use on yourself to attract wealth, to attract more money, to attract a wealthy partner. It says that this was used for prostitutes, I guess prostitutes, when they are wanted to get money out of their, you know, clients, they would use this to, or they would use the root to get, they would use a oil or a root to get more money out of their clients or whatnot. But anything that is attraction for me, I'm for. Anything that attracts more love into my life, more you know, people, money, abundance, wealth, health, I am for it, you know. And if it's for the good, then so be it, you know what I mean? So if you guys will see, a lot of my crystals are for protection. They're for, I'm really big on protection. That's another thing too, protecting my own energy and protecting myself. I'm really big on, because nowadays people will suck your energy. They will suck a lot of stuff out of you. So really big on, you know, my energy.